Have you ever imagined an iPad so powerful that it could replace your laptop completely? Well, Apple just made it real. Meet the all-new iPad Pro M5, launched on October 15th, 2025, and it's not just an upgrade. It's a revolution in portable performance. But is it really worth the hype? Let's find out. Apple has redesigned the iPad Pro once again, making it thinner, lighter, and even more futuristic. The device now comes in two sizes, 13-inch and 11-inch, both with the stunning Ultra Retina XDR display powered by Tandem OLED technology. That means deeper blacks, vibrant colors, and an insane 1000 nits full-screen brightness for HDR content. And yes, it's still crafted from 100% recycled aluminum. So it's not just powerful, it's eco-friendly too. Now, here's where things get wild. The M5 chip. This new Apple Silicon brings up to 50% faster CPU performance and 60% better GPU power than the previous M4 model. Built on Apple's 3-nanometer architecture, it supports on-device AI, real-time rendering, and ultra-efficient battery use. Whether you're editing 8K videos, creating 3D models, or gaming, the iPad Pro M5 can handle it like a beast. Pair it with the new Apple Pencil Pro 2 and Magic Keyboard, and it feels like using a next-gen creative studio in your hands. Apple Pencil Pro 2 now features tactile feedback and precision tilt control, giving artists more power than ever. And the new Magic Keyboard comes with a larger glass trackpad, aluminum build, and function keys. Finally, true laptop vibes. Apple also moved the front camera to the landscape edge, perfect for FaceTime and video meetings. The rear camera system supports AI-enhanced photography, 4K recording, and improved AR experiences. Plus, with Wi-Fi 7 and optional 5G, you're connected faster than ever before. Despite all that power, battery life still lasts up to 12 hours, thanks to M5's efficiency. Running on iPadOS 19, you get AI-powered multitasking, live app overlays, and enhanced stage manager, turning your iPad into a full creative workstation. The iPad Pro M5 starts at $1,199 for the 11-inch and $1,499 for the 13-inch model. It's pricey, but you're paying for the most advanced tablet Apple has ever built. If you're a content creator, designer, student, or power user, this could be your ultimate tool. But if you're just into streaming and browsing, you might want to stick with the Air. So, is the iPad Pro M5 the future of mobile computing, or just an expensive flex? Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the latest tech from Tech Talk. Because the next video might just change how you see tablets forever.